Before watching the video, don't forget to subscribe the channel and enable bell notification to never miss an update from us.
Hello everybody, myself Rahul Mishra.
Hello friends, welcome to Entri. I'm Mirza Shambeg, your quant educator, and today I am going to discuss the job profile for RBI assistant post. It is very important. Why? Because today we have seen that the mains examination date is out. So what you can do is just motivate yourself and look at the assistant job profile, and I'm sure you will be motivated. Okay, so let's see what the job profile demands. Okay, once you get selected, I hope you will get selected. Look at this. Let me take the highlighter. Look at this. Working in the Reserve Bank of India is a dream for every other bank exam aspirant in India. But only the ones who study persistently ultimately succeed and join the most reputed organization in the country. Apart from the many advantages like high esteemed job profile, great opportunities for career growth and lavish lifestyle, the post of an RBI assistant, you work life balance and an opportunity to work in your home state. So this is the what opportunity for you. You can read out these sentence and you'll get to know that you are going to become a very interesting and a very reputed job profile. Okay, let's move on. Job profile. Okay, so first of all, RBI assistant is basically a clerical level post, but it is a bit different from the nationalized banks clerical post. Why? Because you don't have to deal with commercial dealings. Okay, you don't have to face commercial dealings, and you will not be facing any kind of transaction related issues where customer will arrive in the bank and he will say that please update my passbook or whatever. Okay, in various regional offices of RBI located in the state capitals, mostly state capitals. The job responsibilities of an RBI assistant includes maintaining files. It includes collection of receipts, maintaining of ledger, balance tally. So these are the things, as I have told you, you have to maintain that. Okay, in an RBI office. Data entry. I have told you that a basic job of a clerical post is to make a data entry properly. Entering of day-to-day transactions, computer-based working, but day-to-day transactions of all the banks. Okay, replying and maintaining email logs. Okay, responding to RTI queries. All right. One thing you should be very aware that you have to respond all the RTI queries. Why? Because where we supposed to put an RTI query, it is the headquarter of all those banks. All right, so the headquarter of all those banks are RBI. You can say that bankers bank. Currency issue, because RBI is the only authority to issue the currency, and circulation, verification of banking documents, so all the document related issues, attending of the government treasury work. So you directly belong to government, that's why you will have to attend all the government treasury work. All right, coordinating with the higher authorities in terms of work. So you have to coordinate the higher with the higher authorities as well. That's the basic part of your job. Career growth prospect. There are reasonable prospect for promotion to higher grades. Once a candidate joins RBI assistant, he or she will get multiple chances to get promoted of the higher level post. What are the chances? All the candidates who wish to get promoted to the officer level need apply for the promotion test and appear for the examination and pass it as well. All right. So you will have to face a written examination for the promotion. Okay. So it is a transparency. But before that, one has to undergo their service period of minimum 2 years. That 2 year will be a probation period. Okay, promotions are conducted at a period of every 2 year, wherein RBI assistant have the opportunity to be a part of it. Okay, so in every 2 year you can apply for promotion. There are two processes. One is the normal process and the second one is the merit based process. All right, so normal process is the written examination and the merit based process is the what, you will work for 2 years and after that you will go to an IIT and apply for JAIIB or all the finance related examinations, or you can say if you have done any kind of course related to finance or banking, you might get promoted if you're doing it from an IIT. All right. RBI assistant salary, revised salary. These are the revised salary. You can say that you will be getting 14,650 as a basic pay. Look, don't go to the big, don't look at the basic pay. Just look at the allowances, which I'm going to tell you. So your basic pay will keep increasing. Okay, once you are going past over the year. Other allowances as DA, house allowance, house rent allowances, city compensatory allowance. So city compensatory allowances depends on which kind of city you are posted. Let's say that you have been posted in Mumbai. That means Mumbai have the highest of the house rent allowances and city compensatory allowances. All allowances will become higher compared to the B tier city or a C tier city. At present, initial monthly gross emoluments of assistant approximately 36,091. So approximately you can say that you will be getting 36,000 in hand. HRA will not be paid to the employees if bank's accommodation is provided, and license fee will be recovered from her or him at 0.3% of pay at the starting stage of the pay scale class of class 3. Okay, so these are the conditions you need to follow. Here, RBI assistant salary, revised salary allowances. Okay, so these are the allowances: accommodation, medical facilities. Okay, so you'll be getting accommodation, which includes newspaper, briefcase, book grant, allowances for furnishing of residence. So these are the things you will be getting in terms of accommodation. Medical facilities, dispensary facility, besides reimbursement of medical expenses. So that is more important, because today if someone is posted to a different city, which and that city can suit that person or not, it depends on the individual. Okay, so if that city is hazarded to his health, that means he will be reimbursed, he or she will be reimbursed. Okay, for OPD treatment, hospitalization, all the facilities will be available because you're going to a banker's bank. Okay, travel reimbursement, interest free festival advance, leave fare concession. So these are the things all are available in travel free reimbursement. Facility of loans, that's the best part, I believe. Facility of loans, you will get loans on a cheaper rate of interest compared to the normal customer. All right, because you are already working in the banking system, so you have to get the loan at a cheaper rate compared to the normal people. Pension, the recruit will be governed by the defined contribution new pension scheme in addition to the benefit of gratuity. So you will be getting all the allowances, you can see that. Okay, RBI assistant posting. All right, so posting will be based on all the zones: west zone, south zone, north zone, east zone. Look at this. In west zone, Ahmedabad, Bhopal including Raipur, Mumbai including Belapur, Pune, Panji and Nagpur. So you will be getting, you can get posting in these areas. Okay, and one thing you should know that you will be getting highest allowances if you are posted in these cities, especially in west zone. All right, in south zone you can get posted Bangalore, Chennai, Hyderabad, Tiruvananthapuram including Kochi. North zone Chandigarh including Shimla, Jaipur, Jammu, Srinagar, Kanpur, Lucknow and Dehradun, New Delhi. Okay, East Zone, Bhubaneswar, Guwahati, including all the northeastern states, excluding Gangtok. So you know that excluding Gangtok, you will be getting posting in all these areas. Kolkata, including Gangtok. Patna, including Ranchi. Okay. So if you posted in Ranchi, that means Patna will be included. Okay. So guys, that's it from my side. This was the job profile, salary, and career growth for an aspirant who are going to give RBI Assistant Mains examination. Okay, so appear for that examination with a full heart and give your best shot and keep watching Entri. Thank you.